struggling single dad held his disabled daughter in tears. She had no idea a billionaire was nearby. The winter wind cut through Jason's thin jacket as he crouched on the sidewalk, cradling his 6-year-old daughter Lily against his chest. Your wheelchair had broken again, and the repair shop wouldn't take it without payment upfront. The last of his paycheck had gone to her medication. Now, stranded in the freezing cold, he fought back tears, whispering apologies into her hair. "It's okay, Daddy," Lily murmured, her small fingers brushing his stubbled cheek. "He can just sit here and count the stars." His heart shattered. How could life be so cruel to this bright, brave little girl? Nearby, unnoticed, a man in an expensive overcoat paused. Daniel Whitmore wasn't just wealthy, he was a billionaire, a name synonymous with ruthless business deals. But the sight of Jason, trembling not from the cold but from sheer helplessness, struck him in a way no boardroom argument ever had. Daniel approached. "Need some help." Jason stiffened, instinctively shielding Lily. "We're fine," he lied, voice rough. But Lily peeked out, her wide eyes curious. "Your coat is shiny," she said with a grin. Daniel chuckled, then did something he hadn't in years. "Hey, listened, By midnight, Jason wasn't just holding a repaired wheelchair, he was holding a job offer with healthcare that covered Lily's treatments. Daniel didn't stop there. He used his influence to fund accessibility programs, inspired by a little girl who saw stars even on the darkest nights. Years later, at Lily's high school graduation, Daniel sat beside Jason, both men wiping away tears as she rolled across the stage. The billionaire leaned over and whispered, "Best investment I ever made, because kindness once planted grows beyond measure. The end.